Save your original photos and videos to the privacy of your home and access them from anywhere with Kwilt Shoebox. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply plug the included USB key or any size hard drive into your Kwilt Shoebox at home. Then save all of your photos and videos from anywhere in the world anytime you want. Access the existing content on your home drives and share them on the go with the Kwilt app. Kwilt Shoebox is your best alternative to cloud storage. Original resolution, instant sharing, home privacy, no storage limits, and no monthly fees. There are 2 Kwilt Shoebox models to choose from to best fit your needs. The Kwilt Shoebox Mini includes a 32GB SD card to get you started with Wi-Fi connectivity to your home network. The Kwilt Shoebox Plus includes a 64GB SD card, offers fast Ethernet and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, and an SD card reader for your direct photo and video transfer. Kwilt Shoebox. Get yours today.